And to finish up this last part here, with crop rotation, it deprives pests of a dependable food source by alternating different crops that are growing. So again, all these different strategies through integrating pest management are designed to not necessarily eradicate a pest, but keep their numbers down to a level that they're really not devastating. Well, they're really not all that harmful to agriculture, and a much more natural and ecological way to deal with pests and to try to move away from pesticide use. So biological control is used whenever possible. A great example is gardeners releasing ladybird beetles to control aphid pest infestations. And again, a wonderful biocontrol agent because both the adult and the larval stage of these beetles eat aphids. And again, I talked about parasitoid wasps earlier. Here's a parasitoid wasp, a female, inserting an egg into an aphid, and then as the egg hatched, the larvae grows and eats the aphid from within. Kind of a nice horror movie type of scenario, but an effective biological control agent. And again, the danger is that you want to make sure that the biological control agent that's used is specific to the pest and that the biological control agent doesn't become a problem itself. And that is it for this chapter.